Hello, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aesthetic Flavors, and I hope that you all are doing well. So, today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, that is Durga Puja. This is a festival for which the entire nation, entire world waits for. There are many topics which I really want to discuss, and I would also request you that being a Bengali or a non Bengali, please write down that what are your feelings about Durga Puja. See, guys, you all can see the pictures how Durga Puja is celebrated in West Bengal, Kolkata. I guess the entire world knows how Bengalis celebrate Durga Puja. If you have not seen or celebrated Durga Puja, you may come to West Bengal, but definitely after this pandemic. Just see the picture, just see the crowds. Sometimes when we see the photos in newspapers and magazines, we see ourselves in the crowd, that we are exhausted. So you can visit Kolkata for Durga Puja next year. To be honest, this year we are facing a lot of trouble celebrating everything. There's a very hard time which is going on in the entire world now. And during this time, if we are celebrating a big Durga Puja or a big festival, then this is very weird. Now, the country or the entire world is having a bad time. So if we just become sad and sit at home, that'll affect our mental as well as physical health. So we are celebrating this festival, every festival in the entire world. But whenever we are celebrating, we must take care of ourselves as well as everyone around us, because if we don't take care of ourselves, then we are going to affect the entire world. So, let us see what Wikipedia tells us. Now, according to Wikipedia, Durga Puja is also called Durgotsav. Great. It's an annual Hindu festival originating in the Indian subcontinent, which reveres and pays homage to the Hindu goddess Durga with her family. Let's talk about the shopping part. Shopping is something which any Bengali or people who celebrate Durga Puja cannot miss. So if you visit New Market, Kolkata, then you will understand. You can see this is the picture of the New Market of Kolkata. It is crowded with people, and to be honest, you need to stand for hours to buy one dress. So everybody is choosing their favorite dresses. So you can also choose your favorite dress for New Market. Mohalaya's Chokhudan. Chokhudan basically means offering the eyes to the idol of Durga, which has a special significance. Artisans paint the beautiful eyes of the goddess in the weak hours, and only a senior member from the artisan community is allowed to draw the eyes of Ma Durga. Mohalaya marks the beginning of Durga's journey to visit her father's home from her husband's home. So, Mohalaya indicates that the festival is around the corner.
দেবী অষ্টাদশ ভুজামূর্তি পরিগ্রহ করে শঙ্খে দিলেন ফুৎকার। দেবীর জন আহ্বান শব্দ অনুসরণ করে সসৈন্যে ধাবমান হলো মহাবলশালী মহিষাসুর। অসুররাজ লক্ষ্য করলেন মহালক্ষ্মী দেবীর তেজ প্রভায় চুম্বন করছে পদভরে পৃথ্বীয়ানতা, আর ধনুকটঙ্কারে রসাতল প্রকম্পিত। দেবসেনাপতি মহাশক্তির জয়মন্ত্রের গুণে দেবীকে দান করলেন মহাপ্রীতি।
নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী জাগরত বিকৃন্তিনি জাগ মহিষাসুর বিমর্দিনী জগরক্ত বীজনি কৃন্তিনি জগ মহিষাসুর বিমর্দিনী উঠে সুর বিমর্দিনী উঠে শঙ্খ মন্দ্রে অভ্রবক্ষ শঙ্কা শননে ক্রন্দী শঙ্কা শননে ক্রন্দী। নমো চণ্ডী তব খড়গ শক্তি কৃত কৃতান্ত শত্রু সাতন তন্দ্রী শত্রু সাতন তন্দ্রী নশ সিংহ বাহিনী ধনকার ইন্দ্রারি চমুদণ্ডী ইন্দ্রারি চমু ইন্দ্রারি চমুদণ্ডী। নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নিরলক দণ্ড টঙ্কলম্ব জলে সবরথ তুরঙ্গ ছিন্ন ছিন্ন সুতীক্ষ্ণ করবালে নাচ ধূম্র নেত্র দনুজ মুন্ড দনুজ মুন্ড চক্রপাত নিখণ্ডী তব তথাথই প্রলয়নেত তথাথই প্রলয়নেত ধ্বংস ধ্বংসে বাঁধন গণ্ডী ধ্বংসে বাঁধন গণ্ডী। নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী নমো চণ্ডী।
দেবীর সঙ্গে মহিষাসুরের প্রবল সংগ্রাম আরম্ভ হল। দেবীর অস্ত্র প্রহারে দৈত্য সেনা ছিন্ন ভিন্ন হতে লাগল। মহিষাসুর
See guys, the whole events of Durga Puja is very, very special to us. But there are some particular events which are more special to us, like Ashtami Anjali. Nobody can forget Ashtami's Anjali. Then is Kumari Puja, where a small little girl is dressed up as Ma Durga and she is seen as Goddess Durga and she is being worshipped. Then is the Shondha Aruti. Then is the Shidur Khela, which marks the end of Durga Puja, where all women and men also participate by playing with vermilion, and then it's the Bisharjun. It's the saddest part of this event when Ma Durga emerges to water, and it indicates that Ma Durga is again going back to heaven to meet his husband Lord Shiva. Now, if you come to West Bengal and especially to Kolkata, then you can see many theme pandals. Not only normal pandals, you can see many theme pandals which are arranged by some famous clubs. So, some famous clubs are Surochi Shangho, Naktola Udayan Shangho, Chetla Ogrohoni, Baliganj Cultural, Tridhara Shanmeloni, Ekdalia Evergreen, Boshpukur Shitolatala, and Tala Barwari. These are not the end, there are many more clubs which make beautiful theme pandals, and those are uncountable. Now let's discuss about some Bonadi Badi's Pujo. These Bonadi Badi's Pujo means the houses which celebrate Durga Pujo, and it's for a long, it has been celebrated in this house for many years. And to be honest, this I collected from the information I collected from uh, Wikipedia. So let's read it out. The pujas are all of 100 plus years, some even 200 and 300 years old. Every one of the families gather to celebrate Durga Puja with pomp and show as an annual get together. It is still being mentioned by the old timers that goddess Durga adorned herself with jewelries at Jona Shako Shri Krishna Dawn House, at launch at Abhay Charan Mitra's house at Komotuli, and enjoy music and dance at the Shobha Bazar Rajbari. The puja of Abhay Charan Mitra's house, who served gigantic sized sweets, has stopped since long, but the other two houses of Shiv Krishna Dawn and Shobha Bazar Rajbari still celebrate Durga Puja with great pomp and show. And I think these shows the historical cultures of West Bengal. See, how can Bengalis miss food? Now, basically, Durga Puja is celebrated for food. You will never find any Bengali sitting in their house and preparing meals during these 5 days. And instead, you will find them always feasting around the puja pandals. In Kolkata, you just can't miss the Ashtami Bhog, which is served at all puja panels for free. You don't need to give payment for that, so don't worry. The bhog contains a special type of khichdi, which is prepared with rice, lentils, potatoes, and some veggies, and it is traditionally served with begun bhaja, mishti chutney, papad bhaja, and mixed shobji on a shal pata's plate. If you have not eaten this, you are not a true Bengali. Bengalis are incomplete without these foods. Khichdi is the main part of puja. How can anybody miss that?
দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনীর সুর তোমার টুলির গন্ধ ছড়ালো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো রাতভর তোড়জোড় কত উৎসবে মাখা টই টই হইচই সব ঠিক করে রাখা রাতভর তোড়জোড় কত উৎসবে মাখা টই টই হইচই সব ঠিক করে রাখা করে বিষাদে আড়ি নিতে আড্ডায় ভরপুর প্রধানের রঙ প্রাণে ছড়ালো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো চার দিন প্ল্যানিং আছে ফুর্তিতে ঠাসা বৈঠক থেকে রাখ সব হুল্লোড়ে ভাষা 4 দিন প্ল্যানিং আজ ফুর্তিতে ঠাসা বৈঠক থেকে রাখ সব হুল্লোড়ে ভাষা ধনুচিয়ে ছন্দে সেজে হৃদয়ের তার হবে ষষ্ঠীতেই শুরু চলো বলো
I hope you like my video about this Durga Puja, and also you like the song which I gave in the video form by Monali Thakur. So enjoy this day, and I hope that everybody will follow all the guidelines, all the safety measure, and then celebrate this festival. And I would also request whoever has not visited West Bengal, Kolkata, please visit once during this festival, because this is just spellbinding.